I encourage people to really pick something that's, even if it's not dangerous, pick something that's over your head, pick something that's completely over your safety or your comfort zone, and engage in it, and look at the fear and learn to embrace the fear and not push away from it. You know what I mean? It's like it's welcome the fears, thank you. You know, and I've been in situations, for instance, where I was on the verge of turning from the fear into panic, even with my experience, where you're, you know, in a situation where you're under a parachute or something and you're going like, I should have not done that or whatever. And you're going like, here I can totally make the wrong decision and hurt myself. And then you have to talk to yourself and you go like, remember what you know. Remember what you know. Just do exactly all your training comes into place now, and do not visit with fear in that area, like with the panic side of fear. Do not allow that in. Keep the fear of making the right choices, but do not let that one creep in. It's not invited. And you keep that, I mean, you feel it coming in and you go like, we're not ready for that part yet. And then when you come out of it, you go, I was totally prepared for this. I was just scared because it could have gone wrong, but I was totally prepared for it. And that interaction, that moment when you saw that the sabotage part that was creeping in, and push it away and go, I know you. You're not invited in this moment. I'm not going to have a conversation with you. And you just push it away and power through and get to the other side. That was the golden part of it, was noticing it, watching it come in, pushing it away, staying with whatever, and not allowing things to get in your way. So that is what you want to live for. You want to train for that. So the challenges that I speak of, whether it's skydiving out of an airplane, or whether it's challenging yourself to do something that's out of your comfort zone, it's just the vehicle to go visit this kind of thing, because everybody that's done something out of the ordinary has to experience that. And they can all tell you the same thing, that it's the journey, not the destination. I know it's a cliche, but it is really true.